name is Sudeshna and welcome back to my channel. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I'm super excited for today's video, and that's because I have my own personal stylist. Yes, you guys heard that right. I have a personal stylist now. I am super bougie. Just kidding, guys. I have a personal stylist for this video, but in real life I don't really have a personal stylist. But there is a way you can have a personal stylist, and that is what I'm going to be sharing with you guys today. The website is called snobbox.com, and basically what they do is you just have to fill in like a style quiz, and based on that a stylist will give you a call and you can, share more in detail what your personal stylist is like, what you like to wear, what you don't like to wear, and based on all of that and based on your budget, the stylist will actually send you outfits. Because you guys know I always like to do the unboxing on camera because it's just so much fun, and whatever it is, it will be captured first time on camera. So I hope, fingers crossed, this will be good, and I hope that they all actually fit me. Without any further ado, let's get started. This is the first time where I've purchased some things online, but I have no idea what they are. But before I get into this box, I think I'm gonna quickly tell you guys about Snobbox. Snobbox is a subscription box website. It's not really a subscription. I mean, you can choose to get it once or you can choose to get a subscription. So after you sign up in the website, they will ask you a bunch of questions. So they will ask you anything from your size to what you like wearing, what you don't like wearing, if you like accessories, which colors you like, what you don't like. I think there are like around 10 to 12 questions that you have to answer, and all these questions are going to help the stylists in kind of understanding what you like and what you don't like, and which will further help them in curating outfits for you and send it over to you. So after you do all this process, which honestly takes under 5 minutes, so the stylist will call you at your given date and time, and then she will get even more clarification on the call on what you even like. You guys can discuss. Irregardless of what you buy or what you don't buy, you do have to pay $199 for the stylist service, which I think is super cheap, guys. Like just 199 rupees for such a unique experience, and for having a professional stylist send you outfits. I got my package within a week, but it'll depend on your city or region, wherever you live. So they give you 2 days time to decide what you like or what you didn't like. If you liked everything, awesome. Then all you have to do is log into the website and just pay for the items that you did like. So I think that's as best as I could explain it briefly. Now let's move on to the unboxing. Okay guys, now it's time for the unboxing, and this box is so huge and so heavy. I am very excited. So I have my trusty pair of scissors. You guys know this. Okay, and that's it. Damage is done. I am so excited to see what's inside. So it comes with these 2 things right here. So this one is a style note by a personal stylist. Hey Sudeshna, for all your styling woes and I have nothing to wear dilemmas, look no further because your personalized snob box has arrived. It's filled with clothes and I'm so excited to see this. I have ordered for 3 to 4 outfits. I think it's kind of better to try more in your first go itself instead of just one outfit, because at least you get a variety and you can see what works for you and what doesn't work for you. So it's really nice to see that they kind of give it to you in like a complete outfit. Okay, so from what I'm seeing, this is a 3-piece set right over here. So we're gonna open this one first. Ooh! How cute is this skirt? Doesn't this skirt remind you of Deepika Padukone from Cocktail? You guys know I love wearing skirts a lot. I love wearing short skirts. So I really like this skirt. Hopefully the size will fit. This is the top that I got with it. It's just a cami style top, and it has this lovely V-neck, and I love V-neck. So I think these two will look cute. Okay. Now, the third thing that they've given, it's a denim jacket with a hood. How cool is this? I don't own anything like this. So this is just a plain long denim jacket. which is going to be paired with this. I must talk about the quality a little bit. The quality of all of these clothing pieces are extremely well made. They are just like the brands that you would find in Forever 21, in H&M. All of these clothing pieces are exclusive Snobbox brands. I'm seeing that they kind of gave me 3 bag options too. This is the first bag right here. How beautiful is this bag? I love the buckle detailing. It almost matches my nails. My nails are slightly darker, but this is the bag that they've given. It comes with a strap as well, and it's filled with tissues right now. How pretty is this bag? You guys know that I love carrying small purses like these on an everyday basis. Look at this one. So in the quiz section, like I told you guys before, they kind of ask you a lot of questions. So there was a section where they asked me what kind of occasion wear do you want. So you can choose like 2-3 options, whatever you want. So I chose, you know, parties, events and everyday wear. These are the 3 options that I chose. So they actually sent me a clutch appropriate for a party. How awesome is that? So it comes with this hardware right here. I'm gonna figure out. And you open it like this. And it also comes with a chain if you want to, you know, have like a sling bag attachment to it. And this is the second bag that I got. We are going to move on to the third bag that I got. And ta-da! Oh my god, I don't own anything like this, but I've seen so many bags on Instagram. I see so many bloggers where, you know, carry this type of a bag which has like a very solid handle, like not a very flexible handle like this. This bag is so pretty. I'm going to give you guys a close-up. Can you see the stone detailings? It's there in the front and the back, and it comes with a matching pouch, and it also comes with the straps. So this is what the inside of the bag looks like. It's very spacious, yet it's something that you can wear to a party. Also, look at the studding details on the side. Okay, I see another box. I wonder what this is going to be. Let's see. Okay, wow. So this is where they have stashed all the jewelry for me. I have gotten 6 pieces of jewelry. So I'm going to quickly unbox each and every one of them and show you guys. Oh yeah. Can you guys see how pretty is this bracelet? I absolutely love it. Yeah, I hope that's focused. Look at these earrings. These are so cute. Ooh, this is the third pair of earrings that I got. Again, very subtle but still makes a statement. This is so pretty. Okay, this one is definitely my favorite. Look at these statement makers. They have this dual metallic tone going on with the gold and the silver. These are such statement making earrings, and these are like so my style. This is like a multiple chain thingy going on, which is so on trend right now. You can always find these things on various different websites. Ooh, okay, I definitely love this one more than the silver one, because you guys know I love gold jewelry a lot, and this one is a lot more delicate. All the jewelry and all the accessories bags are done. Now let's continue looking at the clothes. So I already showed you one of the outfits. These are the rest of my 3 outfits. Let's check them out. So this is my outfit number 2. They've kind of paired these two together. So they've given a top, and I don't know what this is. Oh, it's a skirt. Ooh, it's a pencil skirt. Look at the studding, guys. How pretty is this? It has a slit in the front and in the back. Ooh, I'm excited to wear this and see how it looks. And they have paired it up with this sequins spaghetti strap top. How pretty is this top? It has sequins all over, and I love the color scheme that is going on. It has like this nice jewel tones like black, gold and green. It's beautiful. Okay guys, so the next outfit they've sent is this, and I think these are pants. So this is the pants that they've given. It's a lovely mustard color high-waisted pant, and I am just constantly getting surprised how spot on they have chosen these outfits for me. I think these are called like paper bag style, you know, where in the top it kind of folds upwards. So they've given me this nice paper bag style trousers right here. It's in this lovely mustard color. I think it's going to be perfect for summer and spring. Now for the top, they have given this white top right here. Guys, don't laugh looking at this top. I know it looks super tiny, but this is the top that they've given me, and this is so cute, and it has these slightly flowy sleeves. Hopefully it won't be too short, otherwise I will definitely be returning this. The last and final outfit that has been sent to me. Ooh, look at this skirt, guys. It has a very vintage vibe to it, and I love it. Look at this belt. I mean, this belt is kind of attached, but look at the buckle. It's so cute. And to pair this off, they've given me this top right here. It's a very dark pink top. It has all these cute little flower prints. So cute, guys, and like right in time for spring season. It has like this tie type of detail in the front, so once I wear it I have to tie it in the front. My only concern is I feel like the v-neck in the front might be a little too deep, but if it's something like that, then I can wear like a cami or like a cute little bralette inside, and we'll see how it looks. So those were all the things from my snob box. I actually am very pleasantly surprised. I think after this my work is going to be trying out all of these pieces and making sure that they actually fit my size. So if they actually do fit me and if they look good, then you guys will be seeing in this next part a mini little lookbook of all the outfits that my stylist created for me. So let's move on to that. Trying Snob Box for the first time. I had so much fun. I actually loved all of the outfits that I got, and this was overall such a fun little experience. And if you guys want to try it out too, I will link it in the description box below, then you guys can go and check it out. Do let me know in the comments down below which was your favorite outfit. My favorite outfit, I think the pencil skirt, the black outfit, which is perfect for events, that was definitely my #1 favorite outfit. Do give this video a huge thumbs up if you guys liked it, and subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already, because I make videos every Tuesday and Friday. So hit that bell notification so that you guys are notified every time I upload a new video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!